Welcome to the HostVenom YouTube channel. In today's video, we will cover my Traceroute, also referred to as MTR. What is an MTR? MTR is a tool that combines Traceroute and ping to test network connectivity over a path. It shows information about the latency and packet loss along the route to the destination, which can help troubleshoot network issues. When is an MTR helpful? When you are experiencing or reporting connectivity issues, an MTR is often required for troubleshooting. The goal is to run the test during any connectivity issues and provide that output to the support team. In today's tutorial, we will use a program called WinMTR to test our network connectivity from my home network to an external IP. If you need it, you'll find a link to download the WinMTR program in the description of this video. If your server responds to ping, you'll enter the IP address of your server in the host field and press start. Since my server doesn't respond to ping, I'm going to ping a gateway on the network, which typically end in .1. So you'll see I have edited my IP to be 104.128.52.1, and I will then press start. Now I'll let my test run for about 100 packets. You'll notice the sent column of the test shows you the number of packets that were sent to each hop. We would like to see approximately 100 packets on the last hop before we export to text and share the results with the support team. That's it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or want us to do a video on reading the results of an MTR, please let us know.